Okay, an easy one for Ray here. We'll get one shot of him before we get everybody all upset.
Could I have you kind of hold this branch?
Sure, yeah.
We don't want to snap it.
You can get me involved.
Just a little bit. There, it's
All right. Okay, and here's the part
on the ground.
where the helper gets to back off. Guess there's no perfect tree, is there?
No.
Hey, at least this time I remember to turn this dang camera on its side, like they always say. Makes a difference.
See, another thing I started doing too, I forgot to bring it, was a pump bottle of sugar water
Oh yeah?
so I could spray them to keep them from flying back up once I get them in there.
All right, so then the guys on the ground, they'll start working their way towards the box usually, huh? If you're lucky. Once a couple of them find their... That's amazing how quick they find that entrance at the bottom.
Oh yeah. Oops, I gotta take that off. Gosh dang it, I didn't bring my gun.
Oh. Oh, I can drag mine out again. You'll need it before it's over, huh?
Yeah. I
guess you could always use a couple tacks if you had to, huh? You know, thumb
popped
tacks.
a queen off of a swarm off of a little fence rail the other day and put it in that box. And the queen, she just come right back up, land on a fence. So after about 2 or 3 times grabbing her, I finally got her to stay in there.
Yeah.
But I was able to pick her off the fence and put her in the box.
Isn't that something? And never know whether that queen's still on that branch, maybe, huh?
Because of the way these are starting to march in there, I think I probably got her on that first shoot.
Yeah. There he goes, picking them up by the handful. You gotta love that.
See if I can see her there. I don't.
You know, is that a queen? Look, right there. Is that her?
No, them are drones.
That's a drone? The big guy? Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's males. There's a big old
all right.
fuzzy bees.
All right, we did this before and then.
Yeah, there's
another
big drone.
There's another
right
drone. Okay, there's 2 drones over yonder.
There's several
I see.
on there,
All right. Okay, here we go. Yeah, just leave them alone for a bit, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to see if I can see it.
Now, there's a 3.5 minute video.